Alright, my viewers, this is a collective reading once again, and as I've already told you, all my readings are timeless, so whenever you go to my channel and you find a reading which is kind of catching your eye, you can go ahead and look at it. You might find your answer in that. So having said that, let's come to the point today. So universe wants you to have a different approach. You've been working hard, you really want this in your life, and that is very much evident. You're kind of at a time wherein you really feel that whether things are working or not, you don't see something tangible happening, and that is the only problem. You need to change the approach that you have. You have been trying a lot harder than you actually have. You had to maybe earlier, but now you are being asked to have more lighter notes. If you really want to win this issue of yours, the certain the circumstance, or whatever it is you struck at the moment, might be feeling that I've been putting in so much of effort, maybe things are working, don't know, things are just not moving, they kind of are on the same place. Now, what is being said very clearly is, no, that's not happening, things are moving, but you might be too obsessed to see the answers and see the victory now, as you have put in so much of effort. So now you need to take an important approach you really want with. The universe wants you to understand, you need to see at the larger picture first. Look at how many people are going to benefit out of whatever you are trying to manifest. It can be a very simple scenario in your life, it can be a very huge issue, whatever it is, but does it benefit more than one people? First, see that. Secondly, you need to trust your intuition, you need to have faith in your power. Come to the spiritual mindset of you might be seeing people coming in your life, but you might just not get the help that you might be expecting from. You're being asked, come out of your logical mindset, come to the spiritual approach. The universe wants you to come in the faith mindset more. Believe in yourself more and believe in the task that you're trying to achieve. If you can see yourself achieving now, you are sure to win it in the end. Any which ways I'm seeing the victory is there just around the corner. It's just that you are being challenged to crush your own skill. You are being challenged to know your own spiritual power. You have been using all your skills maybe, but you're being asked to rather not pay attention on the hard work now. Most of the time people do not take it that seriously. But the spiritual part of the manifestation is the major part that takes role in the manifestation of anything that you do. Okay? So you're being asked to go back to the roots. Start thinking in the way that you might think in your child, the faith mindset, the innocent, the way that you want to think then also. But you had another approach to it. So you're being asked to be that childlike, that you need that childlike innocence at the moment. You are just being asked to move in a flow. Just glide through and you'll see yourself passing it just like anything. You're just putting in so much of effort which is not needed now. You are already skilled. You need to trust your skills. You need to trust your magic. You need to trust your intuition. If your intuition says that yes, this is something that I feel that might not sound right logically, but you feel that this should be done, then please go ahead and do that. Okay? Be as light as you can, because you might be too logical at the moment. You not letting the universe come in. Let higher beings be in your surrounding and let them help you. You can hear messages anywhere. This reading might be one of the confirmations that you need to know, because this is a great new beginning for you. If you will allow yourself to win in the way that universe wants you, which I really feel that you will be able to, because victory any which way is on your card. So this will be a long-term victory for you. This will be a long-term new beginning, a stable new beginning for you. This will give you so many light moments and so many enjoyable and happy moments carrying forward. That is what I'm seeing for you. Please change the approach. Be a little lighter. Start meditating if you're not until now. Please do believe in your prayers. Keep asking for what you want from God and universe only, and that you will find people planted in your way. Whenever you need, whatever you need, just come to light. It might have happened in your childhood, right? So have that childlike faith. Keep believing in the good deeds, and please keep doing the good deeds. It's very important. If you're doing something, it should help more than one people. That should be your aim. It should not be a selfish motive that you want to achieve, right? So I'm wishing you all the best. I hope the other way of approaching your particular goal is clear to you now. I'm wishing you all the best, and I'll see you next. Bye for now.